to my channel once again, just Tika. I'm coming back with you guys with another wig review. But if you are first, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I just want to say thank you for tuning in today, and make sure before you leave, girl, that you hit that subscribe button so you can get all of my new uploads of the one and the only bomb units that I always review. This wig review is brought to you by elevatestyles.com. I purchased this wig from elevatestyles.com, and I also purchased a couple more new units that Outre just recently launched, but I had to get my hands on this particular hair color in general because this hair color is bomb. So I currently have the wig on my head right now, and this is the stock card of the unit. This is Outre's Lace Front Haven wig, and this is in the color number DR4 Sandy Blonde. I don't remember the price of this wig, but as you guys already know, I will leave the details and all the good specs about this wig in the description box below for you guys. So even if you forget what kind of wig this is, I will have it going straight across the screen, as well as I will leave the details about this wig in the description box below for you guys. This wig comes with natural baby hairs, and it also comes with a 5-inch Swiss lace parting. So this is what the lace looks like. The lace looks really good, okay? So the lace starts from here all the way in the back, and then I laid the baby hair down for you ladies if you love to wear units and you love to wear the baby hair as well. So I decided to do that. So you can add heat on this wig, but it can only go up to 400 degrees. When I got this wig, it did not come like this, okay? I know you guys are like, girl, this wig is bomb, okay? It is bomb, but I do have to tell you that when I got this wig, it came just like this. It came with the ends curled like that, and I decided to style this wig a lot different.
Please tell your Negro to back the hell up off me.
Hey, pelvis back 2 inches, homie, but stay up on her though.
So what I did was I put my flat iron on 390 degrees, and I kind of just used my flat iron, and I just kind of like made my ends straight, because the wig, it's really nice, but on me, my personal preference was to style it and style it like this and just bump, you know, just actually straighten the ends out. But this wig is still a go, because it's getting hot, it's spring, and it's about to be summertime, and nobody want to wear all that hair on their head, because I absolutely don't. I'm from North Carolina, and it gets hot. So you're not gonna catch me wearing a whole lot of hair on my head this summertime, okay? But you're most definitely going to add this to your spring collection, because I guarantee you that you are going to absolutely love this wig, like literally. So this wig do come with clips, and it also comes with your adjustable straps. It comes with 2 wig clips in the front, and also come with 1 wig clip in the back. But yeah, but like I said, I purchased this wig from elevatestyles.com, so make sure you go there today to purchase your wig from elevatestyles.com. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel, you like this video, and you comment, and just give me your specs and your details about your opinions about how this wig looks on me. Like I said, this wig is absolutely giving me B vibes, and it's gonna give me B vibes.
The f is that?
All spring and summer long. But most definitely, you are going to buy this wig. I give this wig a 10 out of 10 because it's absolutely adorable and it's bomb as hell, okay? Alright, so without further ado, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. So once again, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel, and if you are new, welcome, and I'll see you guys in the next video.